my friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. If you'd like to have an agile and flexible voice to help you sing clean intervals or runs and riffs, or to navigate choral singing or harmony parts with greater ease, these vocal warm-ups and exercises will help you do just that. There are a lot of vocal coaches who show singers who are already advanced at these techniques, but they don't show you the beginning and intermediate exercises to get to these advanced places. So that's what we'll do here today. Check in now with your alignment and breathing and take a couple of low, slow, and relaxed breaths. We will begin this series of exercises somewhat slowly and then build to a faster pace with more advanced exercises. Feel free to repeat any exercises that you'd like to do again or switch octaves if that works better for you. Let's ease in with a few vocal warm-ups. We can sing on a lip trill, like Now let's sing on a zh sound, like Let's aim for consistent airflow and some attention on accuracy of the intervals. Here we go. This next exercise will work on strength and register shift as we sing on EA, like EA and go. In case you haven't heard yet, I now have a Vocal Warmups and Exercises app called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, available for all platforms. Check out the links below to learn more about that. Sven thinks you should sing every day. This next vocal exercise builds coordination at a moderate tempo. We're going to sing on Z, ah, and note the coordination between the breath and the sound. It sounds like this. Z, ah, ah, and go. Z, ah, ah, job. This is a great vocal flexibility exercises. This is a little longer than other versions we've done. We're going to sing on ni-o, like ni-ho-wee-ho-wee-ho-wee-ho-wee, and go. Ni-ho-wee-ho-wee-ho-wee-ho-wee, ni-ho-wee-ho-wee-ho-wee-ho-wee, Is going to work on isolating the interval of a fifth. We can simply sing on ku, like ku, 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 ku. Your turn. Ku, 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 ku. 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 Great job. Let's sigh down. It's important to reinforce moments of relaxation as we're working on our voices. Now we're going to sing up and down a pentascale on vive va, like vive va, and go. Vive va, vive va, vive va. last arpeggio exercise, I'd like to challenge you to put plenty of separation between each of the sounds. We're going to sing on yo, ho, ho, allowing the breath to pulse lightly. We can sing yo, ho, 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 ho. This will ensure that breathing is coordinated throughout our range. Here we go. Yo, ho, 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 ho. 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 Thank you so much for singing with me. I do hope you'll check out my app linked below, and I will see you next time.